More than 72% of e-commerce sales take place on a mobile device, making SMS a valuable channel for driving subscriber engagement and increasing revenue. SMS on its own is a strong channel, but to fully utilize its potential, you need to build an omnichannel strategy that makes the most of each of your own channels. With Klaviyo, you can leverage strategies using integrations, keywords, segments, and flows to automate and personalize your customer's experience. Let's take a look at Nani, a health and beauty company leveraging SMS to sell their skincare products. Taylor loves Nani and regularly buys online. She recently got an email inviting them to join Nani's SMS VIP program. Taylor clicked on the invite and gave her number, excited to receive exclusive offers. Later that week, Taylor received a text letting her know that she's been invited to get early access to a new product launch. Taylor was excited to tap the link in the text and purchase the product before anyone else. What made SMS shine in this example was how it was strategically used with other channels to delight and reward the customer. But this is just one strategy. Let's take a look at another interaction Taylor has with our brand Nani. Mother's Day is approaching next month, and Taylor receives a text asking if she'd like to pause or reduce the number of texts that she receives during the season. Taylor is a loyal customer and doesn't want to unsubscribe from messages, but appreciates the opportunity to avoid receiving messages related to Mother's Day. Taylor responds with the keyword and is opted out of this campaign, but isn't lost as a subscriber. Nani is thrilled to keep an engaged subscriber, and Taylor has an amazing experience with her favorite brand. As you can see, there are so many ways to leverage SMS in an omnichannel strategy, and we have you covered. Explore all of the ways you might use SMS to drive more revenue and delight your customers. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe so you don't miss one of our future videos. And be sure to check out the description to take a next step as you learn and grow with Klaviyo.